you have an air traffic control scenario running at this current time. It lasts for 2 minutes, so you need to focus on a different aircraft. There's going to be some activities going on, so we need you to see if you can pick it up.
How did I do?
Let's find out. So right now I'm grabbing the log file that was generated when you did the training session. So it's shown that you spent more time looking over here, you spent time over here, so we get the percentage on 6 different zones. We don't expect much activity over here because there was no traffic. So we defined the zones based on the scenario that we already had for the duration of 2 minutes. So this is good. We can also subdivide the zones into additional layers. So over here you see there's an emergency. This is where we know there's a conflict and we know the handoffs over here. So what we're showing over here is the capture of the time it took for you to react to the different zones. So we can see the emergency, it took about 11 seconds to react. The conflict, you were bang on. The first handoff, you were bang on. Handoff 2, you did not pick up, but that's understandable because handoff 2, and I'll show you later with more data, it's happening about the same time as the conflict. So this is a typical scenario to say, okay, well, is the controller spending more time looking over here and neglecting the handoff? So we have that information. So I can show you additional information. So this is the emergency, this is a conflict alert, and these are the 3 handoffs. And we can see the activity of you looking into the zone over here. So you spent a lot of time looking over here, which is understandable because it stayed red the whole time. For the conflict, you didn't spend as much time. And the handoff, you spent more time.
And tell me, how does this help in training?
Well, in training, this would be an example over here because we can see there's 2 activities happening at the same time. So we can pick up, if it's properly calibrated, we would expect to see a lot of activity over here and much less over here, but we would expect the controller to react to this at some point. Maybe not within 2 seconds, but at least within 10 seconds, they need to accept the aircraft in the zone and then go back to where there's a conflict. So you'd be able to pick these things up. You would also be able to pick up if you're looking at a zone and you're supposed to do something and you don't do, well, we'll know because we know where you're looking at, and then we can correlate with an actual training simulation to see if you're actually doing anything about it or not. So this is one way that this would be useful.
Very cool.
So that's basically it.
Thanks, Austin. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.